Oh, wow. I did not expect to have that many green beans there this year.
Me too, I never expected.
I mean, I expected to have a few, and this is what? How many pickings of green beans have we had this year?
This is third time.
Third time?
This is third time.
Yeah. Look at that one long one.
Look, it's almost, oh my gosh!
World record? No, not quite.
Look. So guys, if you would like the vegetables, come over here.
Yep. The gourds are starting to grow. I see a whole bunch of them hanging there on the fence.
What?
Around the corner.
We'll harvest the what?
The gourds. There's two right.
We'll harvest them.
Three. Yep.
Da, 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 da.
My wife thinks she's got the green thumb, but I have to agree, she is a pretty good gardener.
I discovered here in America. Look at that.
And she's also a good cook. And no, nobody gets to take her away from me because she's mine.
Dang, dang,
Holy
very
moly.
long. Look at here, guys. See that? Old long bean. We're gonna harvest that one. We're gonna pick that one and share and preserve. See, there are lots of green long bean. This is called string bean. It's a long one. There are more. What can you say with this?
Yum, yum.
We're not yet done with the dough. Ah.
I think you got them all over there just about, don't you?
See that? Long. No fertilizer, guys.
Well,
Now let's start with the one.
yep, we got a nice group of vegetables this year.
The big one.
She found a big one. Holy moly. Yeah.
Guys, travel now here in town.
You know, we're going to have a whole lot to do in the kitchen cleaning.
Let's do it here.
Yeah.
So this is all, guys. And we'll see what we can cook with this.
The bitter melons we picked today, a whole bunch of them. They're looking good. There's our green beaners that are climbing green beans that we're going to have for lunch later tomorrow or whenever. And that next batch here are the ones that are drying out that will save the seeds for next year.
For next year, for next season.
Yep.
There's one tomato and the other one is bitter melon.
Looking good. Yum,
Looking
yum.
good. Blessings from our gardening. Garden is yummy fresh vegetables. Guys, we're going to the neighbor and we'll give some if they like it. Okay, we'll see. Just driving around the neighborhood. So. Oh yeah. Okay. Where's here?
Here?
Yeah. In front of our house. Going to the next door. That's the husband carrying the vegetable. That's how we help our neighbor. There you go. Get the watermelon. That's how we have share our neighbor. There you go. Guys, he will try our cook from the garden. The vegetable.
Yeah. I gotta get some meat first.
He's a particular on meat. Yum yum.
This is mine, not yours.
That's all from the garden.
Good. That is good. The green beans are soft. The zucchini.
Oh, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy our little garden here in our small sample. Living here in
This is good.
Bye.